Good morning. This is day 2 of the Great Cycle Challenge ride from Nova Scotia to P.E.I. Here we are, waking up, tearing down our tents and hopping on the road and making a trip to our next destination. Here we stopped at this convenience store just to refill our water and rebomb on a couple supplies there. Yes, it was raining. Here's my happy rain face. Here's the bike fully loaded. She's packed like a gypsy caravan. Here we take a quick stop in Ted's Bicycle Studio in Charlottetown, P.E.I. They helped us out in a pinch. I had a busted spoke on my rear wheel there, and also we had the other bike looked at as it was having a little bit of braking issues. If you're on a trip in P.E.I., definitely take a stop in and visit Ted in his shop there in Charlottetown. Definitely a really nice place, really nice people. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Follow us on our rest of our journeys and in the future. Also check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Check the links in the description below.